Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to build your AI voice assistant for your applications slash websites. And I will be providing you the front end and the back end, and then you can customize it accordingly and integrate it anywhere. It is super easy and I will walk you through every step, but make sure you're watching till the end and not missing anything at all. If you are new here, my name is Sohail. I'm solopreneur and part of top 1% talent on Upwork in the field of AI and development. I blend my love for AI, backend development, full stack solutions to help businesses create cool stuff from smart chatbots to fully automated workflows. My mission is to make powerful and accessible AI a reality for everyone. Long story short, let's dive into today's topic. You have probably seen chatbots on websites before. They are okay, but typing back and forth can take a lot of time. Wouldn't it be better to just talk and get instant responses? That's why we are building an AI voice agent. It's quicker, more personal, and feel like just talking to a real person. For that, we will be utilizing the OpenAI real-time API. Setting it up is actually very complex, so we will be using a third-party platform called LiveKit. It is also recommended by OpenAI itself in order to integrate their OpenAI real-time API. So first of all, we need to set up an account with LiveKit. LiveKit help us handle real-time voice communication over the web. Go to livekit.io and sign up. It's free and easy. So once you are in, it will ask you to create your first app. Let's call it test app. Click continue. Just fill in this form, finish. And that's it, you are in. So once your LiveKit account is set up, go to settings, click keys, and here we have some keys. As you can see, this is the WebSocket URL for the project that we just created. This is the API key. And when I click this button, it will show me API secret key, right? Make sure you don't expose it anywhere. Okay, so we have to add these three variables into our environment variable. Now, to add this to your system environment variable, go to edit system environment, click environment variables. So here you will just click new, type the name of variable and enter the value for it. I already have it added. So as you can see, I have LiveKit API key, LiveKit API secret, and LiveKit URL. Once you have added these, click OK, and you have successfully set up your environment for the system. Okay, next we have a GitHub repository. The link is in the description below. Clone that repository into your system. Okay, after cloning, as you can see, I have this piece of code. I have a folder called agent and web. The agent is the backend and web is the front end. We have to set up both of these. We'll start with agent, which is the backend code, right? So let's open this agent folder in VS Code. And here I have a file called playgroundagent.py, which is the Python file, and everything is set up here already. There's another TypeScript file. You can use this code as well, but we are not using TypeScript. We are using Python, which is why we will play with this file only. In here, there is one small change that you have to make. Here, as you can see that it is reading OpenAI API key. So just to make things easier, we will paste our API key here. It is not a good way to hard code an API key in the code itself. Just for the sake of tutorial, I am doing it. So make sure you are putting it in environment variable, I mean somewhere safe. Okay, so there is no other change required in the backend code. All we need to do is open terminal. Now to run this piece of code, we need some packages to be installed. As you can see in the requirement.txt, we have these packages, we have to install it. Good practices are you have to make a virtual environment and within that environment, install the packages. So for that, type Python virtual environment and let's call it myenv and hit enter. Okay, the environment has been created and now we have to activate that environment. As you can see here, the environment folder has been created. So simply type my env slash scripts slash activate and hit enter. So my env has been activated and now we have to install the packages. For that, type pip install -r requirements.txt and hit enter. Okay, the requirements has been installed and now it's time to run this piece of code. Simply type Python, name of the file, and dev. So this is the command to run it. In order to run it in production, you have to type start instead of typing dev, right? So let's hit enter. All right, as you can see, it has started. Our backend system is up and running. Now keep this running, do not close it, and let's move to the front end part. Okay, let's go to web folder, open this in VS Code. Okay, so open a new terminal. I'll use command prompt. And here you have to type npm install pnpm. Just in case this pnpm command is not installed in your system, you can install it using this. So once this is installed, type pnpm install. Okay, it has installed the required node modules. So now we have to type pnpm space dev and it will start the server for us. Add this URL. All right, so here you go. You have the entire playground within React code. Okay, so now let's give it a try and click this connect button. I have all the configuration over here, as you can see. So simply click connect.
Hey there. How's it going? What can I help you with today?
Hey there, I'm in front of my YouTube audience. Can you greet them?
Absolutely. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. It's great to be here with you all. Let's have some fun together.
All right, thank you. Bye bye.
You're welcome. Take care and bye for now.
Okay, so as you saw, by just clicking this button, it is making a real-time voice call to the real-time API of OpenAI. So this is a playground for developers, which means you can edit all of this, change it, and use it as per your need. So let me show you a quick example. Let's say I want to get rid of this area up here. This is the class name. Let's copy this. Okay, so as you can see, this is a file called page.tsx. I have the footer section here. I can just comment it all and it will stop displaying on my front end. You see, we don't have footer anymore. Let's get rid of this thing that says using OpenAI API key, for example. So here I found it within components, a file called auth.tsx, and I have this span tag over here. If I comment it out, and go back to my front end, you can see it is gone. So basically, you have this entire React and TypeScript based front end, which you can customize and use it as per your need and integrate it into your applications. And so, generally, setting up the communication between the real-time API via WebRTC or sockets, whatever, it is very complex thing, even on both end, on front end, on back end. So, which is why they have provided us this playground so we can just plug and play the code and edit it as per our need. Remember, you have all the code for both backend and front end. This means you can change anything you want and you can add new features connected to other services or make it match your brand perfectly. The sky is the limit. And thanks to LiveKit for providing all that code, and it is also open source. So if you have a project or an idea related to software development or AI features, feel free to reach out to me. I have put a link in the description where you could book a consultancy call, and I would love to help you out coming up with the project planning or actually getting it done. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section below. I hope this video was helpful. And yeah, see you soon.